But unfortunately, he's still in campaign mode. It started, when all the international community was here, by making negative statements about the treasury, which I don't think he had consulted sufficiently, or just made statements as a politician without probably carefully thinking about the effects. Secondly, was the Shamba system, which he quickly reversed after an uproar of Kenyans and you covering actually what was on ground, trees cut down, and some people try to farm and destruction of forest. Obviously, we want to encourage Kenyans to grow the forests here. We want to plant more trees because of climate change. He quickly changed on that and blamed the journalists for having misquoted him on that particular matter. And then it came to the issue of...
but from your assessment, because we just reported verbatim what he was saying, and actually there was no even editing part, how was he misquoted?
Yeah, well, that was his reply, and he tried to explain how different he meant with the Shamba system. And I don't think it really changed the original position he had stated on that. But there are many other things he has spoken about. The Central Bank of Kenya, I don't believe he's completely authoritative on this matter. And I believe probably there is excitement. And even the language is used. The Gachagua we know does not use that sort of language. First of all, as a Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, there is certain language you cannot use, which even is not broadcastable. So certain words used are not... I cannot even use them myself here. So I think he needs to reflect and check on this, because you see now a lot of Kenyans and the young ones are likely to copy him, and he's a role model of very many people, and he's likely to role model them in the wrong way. From the look of things, he has started the 2032 campaign. He's already tried to impress Kenyans that he can be president one day, and I think he's doing it the wrong way. I think it is rubbing his boss the wrong way. There must be collective responsibility when government talks, from what the president thinks to the minister to the smallest person in the civil service. They should all be in consonance. But I think he's on his own frolic, and it's very injurious to the politics of the nation. He's becoming toxic in a way. He's beginning to controvert and to go opposite some of the very serious people we respect in this country, like the person in charge of the central bank. So it's a matter of reflection. I guess part of these frustrations he was mourning, and for now we can forgive him. But we will not expect much of him on this particular target. We really expect a responsible deputy president who will also be speaking the mind of his boss. I believe what